Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this course we'll learn about fundamentals of agronomy, and in this course the contents are here: introduction to agriculture and agronomy, concept and basic principles of agronomy, definitions, classification and salient features of agronomic crops, cropping seasons of Bangladesh and their characteristics, weather and climate, tillage and crop production, seed, germination, sowing and planting, irrigation and drainage, concept of crop nutrition, manures and fertilizers, maintenance of soil productivity, geographical distribution. So all these contents are included in this course. We'll know about all the basic things of these contents. So let's get started. Firstly, I would like to tell about the agriculture. So what is agriculture? The word agriculture is the English adaptation of Latin agricultura from the agar, meaning soil, and cultura, meaning cultivation. That means it is soil cultivation. In the strict sense, agriculture means tillage of the soil. It is defined as the art and science of growing plants and other crops and rearing of animals for food, other human need, or for economic gain through efficient use of available natural resources. Then there are two productive units of agriculture. First is primary productive unit and second is secondary productive unit. Primary productive unit such as land, solar radiation, air, temperature, water, etc. These are the primary productive unit. Then secondary productive unit. Secondary productive unit include livestock, animals, poultry, birds, fishes, and economic insects. So these are the two productive units of agriculture. Now we are going to learn about the branches of agriculture. Here we can see mainly 5 branches of agriculture. First one is crop improvement, second is crop management, third is crop protection, fourth social sciences, and fifth allied disciplines. Here we can see crop management includes 8 more branches. Crop improvement includes 2 branches. First one is plant breeding and genetics, and second one is biotechnology. Then crop management includes 8 branches such as agronomy, soil science and agricultural chemistry, seed technology, agricultural microbiology, crop physiology, agricultural engineering, environmental science, agricultural meteorology. And the crop protection contains agricultural entomology, plant pathology, nematology, etc. Then social sciences contains agricultural extension and agricultural economics. Then allied disciplines include agricultural statistics, English, mathematics, biochemistry, etc. So these are the branches of agriculture. That's all for today. We'll learn more things about agriculture and agronomy in the next video. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.